Hello guys! Nandito naman ang AngbisayasaAlemanya. Good morning everyone! And you're watching my unboxing again. Here is my unboxing, my birthday gift. My birthday gift. Galing sa asawa ko guys. And ito yung ganyan. See? Oh, ha? Guys, we will try to unbox that one. Ako ang mag-unboxing and mamaya my husband will come here and he will try to construct try to construct the camera. Yan. Today is my birthday pala guys. Secret. Yeah. So, ito yung box sa camera and vlogging camera to guys. So, ang mahal pa naman. Hindi ako maka-afford nito. Ayan. Ayan, ito yon ang camera sa cartoon. Darling, you can sit here, darling. Unlock the camera. Come here. And then this is... Now you sit down here. And then is the... SD card. Ayan. And of course, with free bag. May bag siya guys. May free siya na bag. Ayan. I will unbox the bag. My man will unbox the camera. Yes. Lumix guys. Lumix Panasonic. Guys. Thanks naman guys. May ganito na ako. Ayan. Ito yung bag guys. Ayan. So for free na bag. So para siyang waist bag. Lagyan mo na lang ng belt and things. Ganyan. Ayan. Ito yung wala pa akong bihis kaysa galing pa sa bed. Morning. Yan. Okay. Kung nandun siya. Nag-unbox. Ayaw niya sa camera yun. Kaya half lang ang makikita. Ayan. Nag-install na siya guys sa camera. Ayan. Hindi kasi ako marunong yan eh. You need to ayan. May 32 gigabyte na SIM. Oh, SD card. And I'm going to try this one. Hello guys, naputo ng video kasi dumating yung parents nila ko. Ayaw nila ng video kaya nagbigay sila ng gift into card. Sa akin. Nag-wish sa akin. And ito yung birthday gift. I'm sure pera naman ito, but mamaya pa na lang ito. And yung anak ko binigyan ako ng malaking chocolate. And of course, yung isang anak ko binigyan ako ng ganito guys. So, very simple lang ang celebration namin ngayon. And of course, from my friend, from Steffi! Ito yun. Very early gift ni Steffi sa akin. So, where's our camera?
Not working. That's a nice camera.
Nag-charge pa yung camera, guys. So, ano to, guys? Simple lang ang celebration namin mamaya. Mag-grill kami sa labas, sa garden, and yun lang. Lunch, mag-grill, and coffee, and cake. Yun lang. Simple lang. Yung asawa ko, tinatawanan ako. Walang hiya. Oh. Yeah, yung asawa ko. May pogi points. Ayaw talaga niya. Ayan guys. Ayan. akalain kasi before, sinasabi ko sa kanya, wag mo na akong bigyan ng bulaklak. Kasi, wala naman ako sa bahay palagi. Work naman ako. Tapos, sayang lang naman sayang lang daw yung pera. Ayan. Expensive kaya itong mga ganitong bulaklak sa Germany. So, and, may pa ako dito. May na-receive pa rin ako dito na malaking chocolate din. Ayan. So, and, ito din, may jeans. Hindi siya jeans, parang summer, siya. Jeans, wala, so, pangalan ito. And of course, hindi ito mawala palagi guys sa birthday ko. Ito guys, yung my favorite shoes. Every summer talaga may ganito talaga. Taylor shoes. Kasi it's my favorite shoes brand. Ayan, ito yung shoes na na-receive ko guys. Alam na ng asawa ko na it's my favorite shoes brand. Ito guys. So, may susunod pang mga gift na i-share ko sa inyo. So, and mamaya hindi ko na lang siguro i-video yung sa garden kasi nandun akong in-laws ko, ayaw nila kasing mag-video kaya respect na lang sa privacy ng sa parents ko. Pero by Easter Sunday we are making egg hunting sa garden namin. So, gonna check this one out guys. Ayan. And mamaya magkabasa-basa rin ako sa mga greetings ko from my private messages, na mga greetings from my friends and from my workmates. Share ko din sa inyo guys. Ayan. So guys, magbabasa tayo ng mga greetings galing sa workmates ko at sa mga friends ko na wala sa YT. And of course, sa mga friends din na friends ko talaga from YT to Facebook. So, magbabasa ako sa mga greetings nila and also for my families also. So, uunahin ko muna yung family. Sa family ko galing. And happy birthday, Inday Karen. I hope you are happy. Ayan. That's my mama nag-message. And of course, yung dalawang sister ko. As for my older sister, today the Lord has made for you to come out from the womb of Mama. May this filled with God's goodness and mercy more than ever. Happiest 40th birthday, Karen. All the best. Yan ang birthday greetings ng older sister ko. And then I have my younger sister also. Video pala yung sa kanya. This is how we do this one. Very simple. Yan.
It's April 2.
Yeah.
It's your birthday. And 40 na kayo eh. Dito when sending this with your greetings. Thanking God for your life. Kay daw nagbuwag-buwag pa you really tried so hard to help us. Si Mama, ako, then until naminyo ko, until nabuntis ko, until naminyo ko, you were always there. So, I'm just really thankful for that. And then, nag-celebrate ko today in your birthday because of it. Okay? Kung apoy ka rin, I don't know kung kinsa po nga person kaya pwede mo tabang na ako at that point kaya mara ikaw lang nakahuna-hunaan. So, thank you sa tanan and sorry if medyo padlungon ko usahay like atong case ni Mama. Thankful rin kayo ko as always and kana keep going. Nasa Karen you are simple niya. Kabawon sa gusto. Kabawon sa kung sa pagbarugan. Keep that up. Okay. Kana dili ka Karen if dili ka ingon ana. Honestly sa akong heart, I'm just really happy where we are now, regardless kung sa mga emotions that would get in the way. And I think all of us have really grown into mature people, especially me. I've learned a lot of lessons. So, kana, happy birthday. And di ko sure if manggawas mo sa iyong birthday ron kay pandemic man. But if you're celebrating in the house, send some pictures. Or maybe a video, a vlog. And gonna give yourself a treat. Pamper yourself today because you deserve it. Kaya lang, happy birthday! Bye!
So, yan lang guys. Yung ng sister ko, wala siyang message. Nagsisend lang siya ng video guys. Mataas-taas yung video niya. That is my younger sister. And, yun lang. So, guys, magbabasa tayo sa mga katrabaho ko, guys, na nag-message sa akin. So, ito, guys. Punta tayo dito. From Verena, happy birthday, Karen. I wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. And from Mike, herzlichen Glückwunsch und alles Liebe zum Geburtstag. And from Mandy, alles Gute zum Geburtstag und viele Gesundheit. And Steffi, Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag. Ayan. And we have also from Sandra, hallo Karen, ich wünsche dir alles zum Liebe zum Geburtstag, ganz viel Gesundheit. Hab einen heute schönen Tag, liebe Gruß, Sandy. Ayan. And we have also here Daniela, alles Liebe zum Geburtstag, Karen. Ayan. And we have also from Brita, liebe Karen, ich wünsche dir alles Liebe und Gute und vor allem Gesundheit. Lass dich verwöhnt und habe einen schönen Tag. Ayan. And we have also here, sino pa nandito? Sisi, nandito din. Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag und alles Gute nachträglich. Ayan. Punta tayo sa mga messages sa Facebook. Ayan, punta natin. Ayan. From Berto, alles Gute zum Geburtstag. Happy birthday, Karen, from Ate Lorna. From Tutsimore, from YouTube, happy birthday. Ayan. From Jacqueline, happy birthday, Car. Ayan. And happy birthday from Melissa. Happy birthday, shout out to Screen Grita. Ayan. Happy birthday from Ate Julieta. Happy birthday from friend of mine, Irosi. Ayan. And that's from, ano ko yan, mga friends ko na ka-batchmate ko. And of course, is Alma Ruel from YouTube. Sisi, more birthdays to come and God bless. Thank you, sis Alma. Shout out. And from Betty from Hamburg, happy birthday. And we have Marisa, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Ate Becky, happy birthday. And sis Ate Eugene from Bielefeld also, happy birthday. Sabi niya sa akin. We have also Ate Tess from Paderborn. Happy birthday, salamat ate. We have Odette Totterman. Happy birthday to you. And Mr. J from Godarsloh. Happy birthday ate. Ayan. Merla Espiritu from Bielefeld. Happy birthday. Juliet Bungkasan from Negros Oriental. Salamat Sisi. Ayan. And Marilo Gonzaga from Cebu. Happy birthday. And we have also Sisi, God bless you more, from Rhoda, from YouTube area. Thank you, sis. Sabi niya sa akin, happy birthday from Georgina. Jenna Ortega, happy birthday, Kevin. Ayan. And of course, Ate Sis still alive from Vienna, Austria. Happy birthday, sabi niya sa akin. Thank you, ate. Ayan. And we have Marife Hatibor. Happy birthday, sabi niya sa akin. We have also Risa Mandurun. Happy birthday, Karen. Ayan. We have also here, happy birthday from Maryland. Ito, happy birthday, Dai from Nora May. Ayan. Joy from Paderborn. Happy birthday. And, of course, Bambat Riborg. Happy birthday from Ibang. My bestie. Gima Pelero, happy birthday, enjoy, sabi niya. And we have also, sino po nandito hindi ko nababasa? Baka mapalo ako, hindi ako nabasa. Ayan guys, at salamat din sa mga taong nag-greet sa akin sa YouTube. I really appreciate guys sa inyong pag-greet niyo sa akin. Ayan. And of course, I really appreciate sa mga taong tumatawag at nag-greet ng happy birthday sa akin. So, I hope you enjoy your day today. It's a holiday here in Germany. So, hope you enjoy your Holy Week. And, salamat guys. Really appreciated the day that you spend sending messages to me. Ayan, salamat sa inyo guys. And of course, will be continue guys to the next video. Ayan, maraming salamat. Tapos na tayong magbabasa ng mga greetings. Thank you.